Inheriting all of the outstanding garden merit and performance of its world-famous parent, this is Rose Pink Double Knockout, a fabulous selection that, as you see, produces these gorgeous, big, fully double flowers that start off first with a classic rosebud shape, then gradually open in this very appealing form, and then finally to this fully double flower that puts on a spectacular show. You'll also see, looking at these young plants, that it's very free flowering. Now, one of the things I suggest is that if you're trying to grow it at home, is that you'll find that it's really very easy to grow, but it performs very well when it's given an annual prune in springtime. What I like to do is to go in after the worst of the frosts have passed and trim it back, the whole plant, back to about 6 or 8 inches high. Now, you don't have to be too fussy or a skilled pruner. You just really trim it back, and you'll find then that it will produce lots of these nice big strong growths that then of course carry all of these gorgeous big flower buds. Now, what's neat about this plant is that it starts to flower first in late spring and early summer. Then we'll keep going through with recurrent flowering all the way through the whole of the growing season, literally until you get the frosts in the autumn time. Virtually the whole of the time it keeps reblooming and reflowering. Growing into a plant that's about 3 to 4 foot high, if it's left unpruned, and you can do that too, you'll find that it will grow taller than that. So it's a good idea to go through and just give it that annual prune. You'll find then that it will get plenty of vigorous growth that will come through from the bottom, and then getting the reblooming that I was talking about earlier. With all of the qualities of high garden performance, disease resistance, drought tolerance once it's established, and also the ability to put up with hot weather in the summertime, you'll find that this variety is just as easy to grow as the original knockout rose. Found as a sport in a nursery in Granby, Connecticut, and introduced by Star Roses, this is Rose Pink Double Knockout.